Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc Vice President Hareshwar Goswami has refuted the claims made by Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba Leishemba'S at the Parliament yesterday. The MP claimed that Kabaw was handed over to Burma by former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. However, Mpcc Vice President and spokesperson Hareshwar Goswami refuted that Kabaw was handed over to Burma by King Marjid during his time as king in 1834. The statement was made during a press conference held at Congress Bhavan at BT Road today. Speaking further, Hareshwar Goswami called on MP Sanajaoba Leishemba'S to produce the source or proof of his statement and also called for an open debate regarding the matter. He further clarified that former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru visited Manipur in October 1952 and March 23, 1953, which contradicts MP Sanajaoba's claim where he stated that the former Prime Minister handed over Kabaw during his visit to Manipur on March 3, 1953. Hareshwar Goswami further explained that Kabaw was handed over to Burma by King Marjid in 1834, which is also recorded at Jaitarol Kumbaba, the Manipuri Chronicle. Furthermore, he clarified that according to Treaty of Yandabu, Burma never paid compensation to Manipur and that it was the British Empire that paid the compensation. Additionally, Hareshwar Goswami explained that Kabaw was never of Manipur when the state merged with India in 1949 under the merger agreement. He also alleged that MP Sanajaoba Leishemba'S brought the topic at the parliament with a hidden agenda while urging to refrain from bringing up such matters amid the ongoing conflict.
Prajamiyam the misleading oiba, Naron Hogolevis in the misleading oiba, Suma Potsi, Yam dangerous oiba Haidari Ujiki, present context the Neruna Pirami Haiba, Kabaw Belisi, Tasenadi, Mayam Kambi, 1834 the Pivani. 1834 the Jola Nehru, Papa the Liar, Madhu, Gangador Nehru, 1927 the Poponi, 34 the Pida, the Tariq idea. Adui matamdu Nehru na pithomi hari bane aduna sigumba aranba allegation singsi compensation si Brahmana Manipur da pibani hairi kairumba Brahmana Manipur da compensation pibo oramadi ai Kabaw ki matangda sigi matangda amo na puchigi ngangaroi Brahmana Manipur da compensation pibagi wa laiki de haiba Kabaw ki compensation sidi agreement regarding compensation of the Kabaw 1834 da 9 January 1834 da azain to the pithoki bani